Whether we like it or not, ChatGPT is here to stay. It took the world by storm, helping people all over the world with everything from writing CVs and code to developing business ideas and making money. Make sure you stick around for this one, because we're covering a few super secret tips that can easily double or even triple your referral earnings with ChatGPT. Many people already use our referral system to bring in serious cash each month. If you're looking to become one of them, you don't want to miss out on this one. Can ChatGPT help you skyrocket your Pawns.app referral hustle? You bet. Hi, I'm Jason, and today we'll show you the fastest and easiest way to multiply your Pawns.app passive income with ChatGPT. You probably already know that Pawns.app allows everyone to earn cash, Bitcoin, and gift cards by completing surveys and sharing their unused bandwidth. It doesn't matter where you live. As long as you have a smartphone or a PC with an internet connection, you can get paid. However, many people don't know about our referral program. When you sign up with Pawns.app, you get a unique referral link. You can share it with anyone and everyone. People sign up using your link, they get a $1 starting bonus, and they start making money. As a reward, we give you 10% of their earnings whenever they make a withdrawal. Yes, that's right. As long as they're using the app, you're getting paid. It's that easy. And the reason it works is simple. Nobody turns down free money. So, sharing your referral code is great. But what if there was a better, more entertaining way to do it? Well, now there is. You can now generate unique short videos inside Pawns.app and share them from there. Easy, right? Each video is 100% original, and it contains your unique short referral code, so people can use it to sign up in a second. On top of that, all content is free to share, so you don't ever have to worry about them getting taken down. Now, sharing referral videos is a lot more entertaining than sharing a link, obviously. We spend hours every day watching video content, so it's a great way to get people's attention. However, ChatGPT can help you take it even further. Here's how. To get views, you need to think like a machine. And who's better than that than an actual machine? Most people don't know and don't care about search engine optimization, keywords, and stuff like that. This is where you can use ChatGPT to make sure your referral videos show up in front of the right people. It's as easy as starting a new chat and typing in, "How can I promote my Pawns.app referral video to maximize my passive income?" Once ChatGPT does its magic, you'll have loads of information ready to use. You can ask additional questions, get a list of keywords to please the algorithm of a specific platform, and other tips to make your referral videos go viral. From there, it's as easy as sharing it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and any other social media, and watching the cash pouring in. You can also send your videos privately to family, friends, coworkers. Use them in blogs, chat apps, forums, and more. Remember, if you build it, they will come. Pawns.app builds it for you with a single tap. So all you need to do is get it out there. If you enjoyed this one, make sure to check out our other videos for great money-making ideas you can take advantage of with ChatGPT. We'll cover more creative ways to make money in our upcoming videos. So make sure to hit that bell icon so you don't miss them. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below. We'll gladly help you out on this money-making journey. And make sure you get the most out of Pawns.app. Don't waste your time. Start sharing, and see you soon.